What's going on? Access granted behind the scenes. It's your boy Brian B on the set of VC, the One For Me video shoot. Right now we doing a scene in this is the radio station. So basically it's gonna be me saying my verses, doing my thing in here, and then VC is actually gonna be in the production room laying down his rap or whatever. So make sure you stay tuned. It's gonna be hot. I mean, we're gonna be here for a long time, but you know, we're gonna grind it out.
I'm around, I don't know what to do. You're beautiful. I wanna be with you, so baby. Every time I see the way you smile so bright, every time you look so fine, you're the right for me.
Yeah, I know it hurts sometimes to flirt. I know you see me looking at the girl back then.
The thing that really inspired the track was a certain female that I was involved with, you know what I'm saying. It wasn't in a relationship, but it was just something, you know what I'm saying, I felt like I should do.
Is the basis of any love. So you calm down, see the change of the mood. You'll be sitting on the couch and about to make a move, and I'm thinking in my head, what am I trying to prove? Should I stop and keep going? I really don't know, man. Hands getting sweaty, nervousness start to show, so I keep my hand back, away from your thighs. Then I take a good look in your eyes, and to my surprise, you was staring back at me. About a shape and smile, you was really happy. When I wake up in the morning.
Yo, you're not rocking with the best, man. It's your boy VC representing Kennetville Entertainment. This is now Access Granted. You know what I'm saying? You see we here in the radio. We doing a scene for the new video called The One For Me. Basically sending out a message. And I'm pretty sure a lot of females and a lot of males can relate. You know what I'm saying? When you're dealing with somebody you think is special, but they might not be on the same page as you when it comes to you being in a relationship, or just that type of, you know what I'm saying, having that love and having that feeling about somebody and them not having that same feeling. So you just try to the song is basically about, you know, sending a message, you know what I'm saying, trying to tell the girl, you know what I'm saying, you can change, you know what I'm saying, because ain't nobody perfect. So basically the track, The One For Me, is basically covering that aspect. But we in the studio, you know what I'm saying, me and my boy Brian B, we got him on the hook doing this thing, you know what I'm saying, singing the hook. I produced the hook, I produced the lyrics, you know what I'm saying, the beat. It's by Just Blaze, a major producer, you know what I'm saying. Shouts out to him and Carl Thomas for the original joint, you know what I'm saying. But we just here, and you now tuned in, Access Granted.
Yo, come pick
Let's
me
get
up
on the road, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, come pick me up. All right, yeah.
When you come around, I don't know what to do. I don't know you're beautiful. I wanna be with you, so baby. Every time I see the way you smile so bright, the way you look so fine.
When I'm sitting at home, girl, you know I think of you the way you do the things you do. The way you move, your style is a living proof. I'm the jeans that just fit right. I was made for you, and you was made for me. And faithfully, I can say it, that your presence is a presence from God. Ain't no need to hide the way I feel inside and how I fantasize. When I look in your eyes, I see pleasure. I beat the glasses to your eyes so that you can see better and make you understand that nobody do it better than me. It's VC, and I run in the streets, but I hate the streets. But I'm bringing this heat to you. I want you to feel the same thing I feel. Make the same sacrifices that I will. Down to earth, but take you off of your feet. And girl, without you, my life is incomplete. My heart skipping the beat.
My name is Ryan Jeffers. I'm on the set of Access Granted with VC and Brian B, One For Me. An extra playing the sound engineer. It's pretty much me and DeVise in here going over levels and stuff.
I'm around, I don't know what to do. You're beautiful. I wanna be with you, so baby. Every time I see the way you.
Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go, man. That's the scene. That scene was a success. You know what I'm saying? The studio shot. You can tune in. We're gonna be outside by the clock tower doing some footage right quick for the next scene.
Yeah, what you doing, son? With your girl? You always with your girl. Whatever. Bump a girl. I'm out here trying to get this massage thing going on, man.
I'm out here handing out cards right now. Yo, hold on, son.
Excuse me.
Here you go.
What's this?
The massage business.
Magic hands?
Hands of magic. What you laughing at?
Oh, I mean,
I'm legit. You should check me out.
I'll see about that.
All right, we will see.
All right.
All right, see you later. Hey, don't forget to tell your homegirls too.
Okay.
All right. Hello. And my son. Oh my gosh, man. I just seen this woman, man. She might be the one for me, man. I'm serious, man. Yo, come pick me up right now, man.
VC
Yeah, come pick me up. All right.
07.
All right, yeah.
When you come around, I don't know what to do. I don't know. You're beautiful. I wanna be with you, so baby. Every time I see the way you smile so bright, the way you look so fine, you're the right one for me.
When I'm sitting at home, girl, you know I think of you, the way you do, the things you do, the way you move. Your style is a living proof. I'm the jeans that just fit right. I was made for you, and you was made for me. And faithfully, I can say it, that your presence is a present from God. Ain't no need to hide the way I feel inside and how I fantasize. When I look in your eyes, I see pleasure. I put the glasses to your eyes so that you can see better and make you understand that nobody do it better than me. It's VC and I run in the streets, but I ain't in the streets. But I'm bringing this heat to you. I want you to feel the same thing I feel. Make the same sacrifices that I will. Down to earth, protect you off your feet. A girl, without you, my life is incomplete. My heart's skipping a beat. Hope you get out the seat. Baby girl, get up and just kiss me. Cause it's a real love, so you can believe it or not, like Christmas.
Come around, I don't know what to do. Said I don't know. You're beautiful. I wanna be with you, so baby. Every time I see the way you smile so bright, every time you look so fine, you're the right for me.
Yeah, I know it hurts sometimes to flirt. I know you see me looking at the girl back there in that tight skirt. Damn, now you mad, so I put in work. Lived a single for so long, now it's time to get birth. I want you to teach me, girl, how to love, so we can get past the basis of the kiss and the hugs, but never knocking out the kiss and the hugs. Cause the kiss and the hugs is the basis of any love. So you calm down, see the changing of the mood. You'll be sitting on the couch and about to make a move, and I'm thinking in my head, what am I trying to prove? Should I stop and keep going? I really don't know, man. Hands getting sweaty, nervousness start to show, so I keep my hand back away from your thighs. Then I take a good look in your eyes, and to my surprise, you was staring back at me. About a shape and smile, you was really, really happy. When I wake up in the morning, you'll be on my mind and thinking how we hooked up for the first time. Now we talking on the phone and I'm blowing you kisses. I'm finally glad that I can call you my missus, call you my girl, call you my love, call you my heart. Not knowing we be loving each other from the start. What I got is really special. I really want the best for you.
Come around, I don't